Welcome back to Food Fiesta, everyone. Today I'm back in the kitchen to share the recipe of kids' favorite Oreo cake. It's a no egg and no oven cake, absolutely hassle free, and in minutes you will have a nice chocolate cake ready. But before that, those who have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to Food Fiesta and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my latest updates of my recipes. Let's start. I have taken here assorted biscuits. These are some Mary biscuits, bourbon and Parle-G. These are few leftover biscuits that I had. And I'm also going to add Oreo to it. These are one small pack of Oreo biscuits. I'm going to separate the cream with the biscuit. Here I am separating the white cream in a separate bowl for later use. And I'll also tell you for what I'm going to use the cream of it. Here goes the second one. I'm separating it and keeping it in a bowl. Likewise, I'm going to do it with the whole pack of biscuit. Look here, my assorted biscuits are ready. And I have separated the white cream. Now I'm going to just crush these biscuits and I'm going to put it in the grinder and grind them into a nice powder. As you can see, I have grinded it and I've made it into a fine powder. And slowly and gradually I'm going to add milk. First I'll add half cup of milk and mix it. And then I'll add the remaining half cup also. Likewise, I will add one more cup of milk. In 1 cup of mixture of biscuits, I'm going to add total 2 cups of milk. After adding milk, look here, the texture of the batter is ready. Now I'm going to add little sugar to it. You can skip the sugar if you don't want. Now next we'll go in butter. About 1 teaspoon. Just a little bit, just to add glaze to the cake batter. Mix it well. As you can see, I have mixed it nicely. Next we'll go in baking powder. Around 1 teaspoon heaped baking powder I'm adding. Just give it a quick mix after adding baking powder to it. Now the batter is completely ready. As you can see, it has got nice glaze upon it. Now I'll keep the batter aside. And now I'll starting the greasing process. I've taken a heavy bottom pan. It's a non-stick pan. And I'm adding butter to it. Just greasing it lightly so that the cake does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Next, I'll just dust little maida on it. Next, I'm placing a transparent sheet at the bottom of the pan. You can also make use of parchment paper if you have. Again, I'll just grease it with little butter and just a sprinkle of maida, nicely covering all the sides. Finally, just dust little maida. And now I'm going to pour in the cake mixture inside. As you can see, the batter is absolutely lump free. Just tap from the sides so that all the bubbles are released. And now let's start the baking process. I have taken a tawa and I have preheated it for 5 minutes, and on the top of it I have placed the heavy bottom pan. I'll cover it with the lid and make sure to cover it from the sides so that no steam is released. And I'll keep it to cook for around 15 minutes. 15 minutes are done. Now let's do a check. Use a toothpick to make sure that it comes absolutely clean. As you can see, The toothpick has come clean from the center as well as from the edges. My Oreo cake is ready. I have kept it aside to let it cool down. In the meantime, I'll prepare chocolate ganache. For chocolate ganache, I have taken 4 tablespoons Nutella and microwaved it for 1 minute. In it, I have added 1 milk chocolate, and I'm going to add this mixture into the white cream which I scraped from the Oreo. Now I'm going to mix everything together until I get a smooth chocolate ganache. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes because the white cream is little hard. Have a look here. The texture is absolutely nice. Just to make the chocolate ganache little shiny, I'm going to add the leftover butter. Add the butter and mix it well. As you can see, the chocolate ganache has now turned shiny. Now it's time to flip over the cake. Let me turn it over and show it to you. Here it is. The cake has come out very easily because of the dusted maida. Look how clean and neat it has come out. I'll just show you the texture of the cake and the soft and sponginess of the cake. Now let's pour the chocolate ganache which I have prepared. I'm pouring in the prepared chocolate ganache generously over the cake. Cover it nicely so that all the sides are covered with it, and so that every bite of the cake has chocolate ganache in it. I have spread the ganache properly and evenly on the cake. Now I will start with the topping. For toppings, I have taken colorful M&Ms. Since kids love the colors of M&Ms, spread it generously all over the cake. Look how colorful it's looking. Next, I will put some flakes of white chocolate and milk chocolate just to make it more chocolatey. You can add any other topping, whatever is available with you. You can add colorful chocolate sprinklers, or even you can add choco chips if you have. Last, top it up with a Oreo biscuit, and here you go. Your yummy-licious, delicious, eggless, no oven Oreo cake is absolutely ready to be served. Kids will surely enjoy this quick Oreo cake. It's super easy and you can make it in minutes whenever the kids demand for a chocolate cake, and you can have it for them a yummy-licious, delicious cake ready. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Do try this cake for your loved ones and let me know in the comments. Until then, see you next time with yet another recipe.